You have a link. You share this link when someone signs up. Just sign up, you earn money. I think this is the easiest way someone can start making money online starting from today. In this video, I will share with you 7 of the top affiliate programs, verified services that pays you per sign up to $10. Not only that, I will share with you a small trick that will help you discover and find services that pays you per sign up. Stay tuned. Hi friends, I'm Hasan from Educate, and without wasting time, let's go directly into our topic. But before that, don't forget that we have a running giveaway that will end in a couple of days. If you like to join, $300 cash giveaway, the link in the description below. So let's start with service number 1, with the first affiliate program that pays you per sign up. Constant Contact, an email marketing service. This is the affiliate program. Don't worry about the links. Everything will be in the description below. If you go here down, you will see get paid. Earn $5 for each referral that sign up for a trial without buying anything. $5 per sign up and $105 when they buy. Very nice. The second service is a plural site. Plural site is like Udemy, like Skillshare, a website that have a lot of online courses to learn from. You can see here also $5 free trials and then 50% monthly subscription. So also Plural site will give you $5 for every single free trial. Service number 3, Skillshare. Like Pluralsight, Skillshare also is a website that has a lot of online courses that you can learn from. If you go here to an affiliate page, you can earn up to $7 for every new customer. Just trial sign ups. I talked about this in a full case study here on my channel. I showed you how I promote Skillshare and how I earn $7 per every single sign up with the Impact Affiliate Network. You can refer to this video in the description below or somewhere here on the screen. Service number 4, SEMrush. SEMrush is one of the top SEO companies that helps you rank your website and get more organic traffic from search engines. Go to this link, affiliate program, you will see you can earn up to $10 for every trial sign up and $0.01 for just submitting his email. So if someone submits an email to SEMrush through your link, you can earn $0.01. I also shared with you these results in my videos here on my channel and my affiliate marketing case studies. You can refer to them in the description below. Service number 5, FreshBooks. It's an accounting company. You can see I'm sharing with you different services from different topics depending on your niche. So here we have an accounting application, accounting service. Also, you can earn up to $10 with trial sign up. Very nice, $10. Service number 6 is Grammarly. I also shared with you one of my case studies about Grammarly. You can earn $0.2 for free registrations. Awesome, free registrations, you can make $0.2. Not that big deal, but really it's a super easy method to start making money online. To let someone sign up only through your link, $0.2. The last service is Ginger. It's like Grammarly, a grammar correction software. Also, it pays you $0.2 per sign up. Now it's time for the trick that will help you find more programs that pays you per sign up. How? Go to a website called shareasale.com and sign up as an affiliate marketer. ShareASale is an affiliate network. Here, go to merchants and click on search for merchants. Open this, then here you can find a lot of affiliate programs you can join. Here in the categories section, what you will do is click on modify search Then in the program type, click on per lead, CPA. That's it. Then click on search, and you'll find now a lot of programs that are based on the CPL model or cost per lead model. Per lead, per lead, per lead. Now some of them means by lead like a customer. So you need to test this. But as an example, if you go here to and go search, you will see here is Ginger Software. It pays $0.2 per lead. This is the application. Also, you can refer people to this application to earn $0.2 per sign up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you find that this video is helpful, don't forget to smash the like button so we can reach more people and help more people. Also, don't forget to check out 8supertools.com, the free SEO and digital marketing tools that I built for everyone to start totally for free. Here in this website, we have the affiliate section, then go to programs. I mentioned this before, just for new followers here you'll find a list of affiliate programs to check. A table that I always update with a new fresh affiliate programs that you can join and start making money from affiliate marketing. You can see all the services, the earnings, the website, the category, the cookie duration. By the way, the cookie duration is very important. It shows you how many days or how much time a user can still use your link. As an example, let's say someone clicked on your affiliate link, but after 45 days, he bought the service or he signed up. You will still earn a commission because the cookie will be saved in his browser. This is very important. Also, I want to reveal a secret. You can see here my new version of 8 Super Tools with a lot of new free tools. Totally free tools. Crypto, affiliate, email tools, YouTube tools, SEO tools. A lot of new tools will be available soon on the website. What I want from you, if you want to help me, is to suggest tool ideas so I can develop and add to my website. If you believe you have an idea for a tool, comment it down, your suggestions. I will be more than happy to hear from you. Now you may be asking how to sign up, how I can get the affiliate links, how to promote them, and so on. Simply, you can check my full free course here on my channel. You can watch directly right now after this video. The only affiliate marketing guide you will ever need. See you later.